Hey, you two, welcome back. So, my son got this catalyst converters that meet the California compliant. So this one's like a 470 something. And this is the manufacturer date, June 2023. So yeah, we had to go to the muffler shop to get this welded. They say it's about $80 to cut it and then weld it back. So we're gonna go there and then see if they could do it. I think takes about half an hour to get it welded and do everything. So we'll see. And it says Cat 5. And this side doesn't say anything. Well, they said they need to see the catalyst converter and make sure it's the right one before they install it. So. Alright, so there is the catalytic converter got installed. Pretty fast. Pretty good job. So now we could pass the small check. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.